At Heritage Restaurant and Caviar Bar, we do a lot of handmade products that are done in a very traditional way. In our kitchen, we use modern technology to enhance our cooking techniques, which increases our efficiency and ensures a perfect end product. The Rational iCombi Pro allows us to smoke while raising the internal temperature of the sausage to 110 degrees. This is great because it eliminates a piece of equipment in the kitchen. We don't have to have a separate smoker. After we're done smoking, we can run a quick 15-minute cleaning cycle and it's ready for our next task. After it's done smoking, we sous vide it using the HydroPro to 165 degrees to ensure a fully cooked product that's not dry. This may look a little messy from the residual smoke in the water, but it's very easy to clean the HydroPro at the end of the session. It's nice to have a piece of equipment that's completely waterproof. Next, we put the product in the Virinox Multi-Fresh Next. This will bring its core temperature down to 30 degrees in under 20 minutes to ensure the highest level of food safety. That way it's safe to eat chilled. After we blast chill it, we seal portions of it in the Hinkelmann. We use the fragile soft setting in order to keep the structure of the sausage intact. We can process a batch of sausage and then have it be just as fresh on day 1 as day 6. For our Pullman loaf, we proof for 2 hours. Then we bake it in the Rational. We start the product off 350 degrees with a high fan speed and a high moisture content, and then program it to bake the remaining 20 minutes with no fan and no steam. This unit allows me to work and fine tune until I have the results that I would like, and then we can save this as a preset for anybody else to use. The end result that we want is a rich, dark brown crust with a light and fluffy interior. To make the perfect cherry glass, we combine sugar and cherry juice. Using the probe on the Control Freak, we heat it up till we reach 320 degrees. Cooking caramel can be incredibly sensitive, so knowing exactly what temperature you're at and when to take it off is a key. Next, we take it off the heat, add our everything spice, and then place it in the blast chiller to set the perfect texture. This is a very hot liquid and it takes time to cool down, but using the blast chiller, we can get it done quickly and the texture is perfect in time for service. Using the proper tools and technology, we can achieve the proper texture and flavor in a dish every time.